Hi guys, welcome back to FM Driving School. Today's video is about major faults and we're going to talk about one road user that's going to affect your driving and he's going to make you fail your test. That's right, he's going to make you fail your test. But before we get into that, let's first get past this road sign here, road markings. So the first major fault that's going to occur is you may miss the road sign on the floor right here, and you'll be on the left lane to go straight. Now we're not gangster drivers. We're not going to go from the left lane, cut across, and then go straight and affect the cars on the right. You can understand why that's dangerous. You're on the left lane going straight ahead. The car on the right is not expecting it, and then you may cause a possible collision. Talking about collisions, let's check out this driver right here. He's going straight. He indicates right to turn right. You'll think, okay, it's going to be a bit further ahead. He suddenly brakes. Now you have to brake. Now, if you didn't brake in time and you missed him, who knows what would have happened. But anyway, we're not going to talk about the extreme situation on the road. We're going to talk about what the examiner would have done. As soon as the guy hit the brakes, the red lights appeared behind, the brake lights appear. You should notice it and start braking immediately. Unfortunately, and it's a real shame to say, if you didn't react, the examiner will react and therefore you will fail for somebody else's driving. But obviously, as a driver, it's your responsibility to be able to react. That's why it's a failure. It's a shame, unfortunately, guys. It's a shame. The next part's pretty standard. We got a roundabout coming up ahead. Just adhere to the rules of the roundabout and you'll be fine. You got a cycle lane on the left. Be aware of any cyclists. Don't be too close to any cyclists. As you get around, you'll see, look, there's a cyclist here. So when you come off, be aware of him if he's in your lane. Look, as you get around, you got a cyclist here on the left. Make sure you're not in his path and you give him enough space. That's the end of the fourth section of the video, guys. Again, subscribe to our videos, FM Driving School. Check us out. Any videos you want me to check out, let me know and we'll be happy to do so. Thank you for watching.